A new day dawns. The sun, a dazzling spectacle of brilliance and warmth, begins its daily ascend, slowly creeping up to grace the horizon. With it, the sky transforms, becoming a mesmerizing canvas drenched in the most stunning hues of orange and gold. This is not the rise of the sun, it is the symbolic birth of potential. It signifies the genesis of a brand new day, one that is overflowing with undiscovered secrets and endless opportunities. As the world stirs from its slumber, embarking on its daily cycle of life, the human body too begins to awaken. It rouses itself, shaking off the remnants of sleep, readying to embrace the day. Because there's no better way to equip oneself for the day's challenges and adventures than with a simple yet invigorating morning stretch routine. Morning stretch routines, an amalgamation of simple yet effective movements, serve as the perfect catalyst to kickstart your day. These routines, based on elementary yet powerful movements, aim to combine physical activity with mental stimulation to create a holistic approach to morning wellness. More than just a series of stretches, these routines involve a seamless integration of the body and mind, promoting a sense of unity and harmony. The routines create a balance, offering a base where the body and mind can wake up together, in sync. A rhythmic dance of physical movement and mental focus that sets the tone for the day. This balanced start doesn't just awaken the senses, but also propels us towards a day filled with productivity and wellness. This symphony of movement and mindfulness provides an ideal platform for the body and mind to wake up in unison, setting the stage for a day of productivity and wellness. The physical benefits of a morning stretch routine are manifold. Not only does it foster flexibility, but significantly boosts blood circulation to every part of the body. By incorporating a stretch routine into your morning, your body receives a revitalizing jolt, waking up your muscles gently from their restful state. It's an immediate call to action for your body, a message to your muscles to shake off the lethargy and gear up for the day's workload, stimulating sense of readiness. These routines are appealing due to their simplistic nature and their ability to be customized. Regardless of your fitness levels, whether you're an experienced athlete or someone dipping their toes into the world of physical wellness, these routines can be personalized to fit your own unique needs and abilities. The beauty of these routines lies in their simplicity and adaptability. Not just a physical exercise, a morning stretch routine also serves as a mental and emotional stimulant. It's more than just flexing your muscles at the break of dawn, it's an intimate, soulful journey. As the world slowly awakens, you too, with every stretch and twist, awaken your mind, soul and body. With each breath in and release, you're not just relieving tension in your muscles, but also decluttering your mind, shedding the worries of yesterday. It's an ephemeral slice of peace in your busy life, a sacred time solely dedicated to yourself. Within this serene solitude, you reconnect and realign with your inner self, easing into the promise of a new day. You're not just stretching your body, but also widening your mental horizons. It becomes a tool for self-discovery, for mindfulness, for setting your intentions. It's a moment of tranquility, a chance to cultivate mindfulness, and a tool to enhance mental clarity. To summarize, a morning stretch routine is a holistic approach to well-being. This unique regimen combines both the power of engagement and mental stimulation, providing a significant kickstart to your day. It's not just about flexibility, but it's also about boosting your overall health. Each stretch enhances your physical fitness by promoting flexibility and improving blood circulation, ensuring your body is ready and better equipped to take on the day's tasks and challenges. Simultaneously, it has a profound impact on your mental health. It encourages mindfulness, enhances your mental clarity, and helps in emotional regulation. The result is a positive tone that will guide you throughout the day. So, as the sun rises and a new day beckons, consider embracing a morning stretch routine. This isn't just a suggestion, it's an invitation, a call to action for better health and wellness. Imagine this routine as your personal morning greeting to the sun, a physical manifestation of gratitude for the arrival of a new day. Here, you're not just stretching your muscles, but also your potential, your capacity to thrive and succeed. It's a powerful way to jumpstart your day, to shake off the slumber and embrace the new challenges and opportunities that await you. Remember, each sunrise is a fresh start, a unique chance to strive to become the best version of yourself. And with a morning stretch routine, you're intentionally aligning yourself with this goal, taking a confident step in the right direction. In this dance of life, let your day begin on a high note with a stretch, a breath, and a commitment to wellness. Wake up, embrace the morning light, and let the first hour be for you. Indulge in a stretch to wake your muscles and shake off the lethargy of slumber. Then fill your lungs with a deep, cleansing breath to refresh your spirit and clear your mind. Pledge to take care of yourself, your body, your mind, and your soul. Understand that it's not just about a day, but about every single moment. Because a well-begun day tends to unfold beautifully, resonating positivity and energy. A good start is the secret to a well-lived day. And in the end, isn't that what we all strive for? A life lived well, one sunrise at a time.